Alright guys, this video today is going to show you how to replace the air filter on your Chevy or GMC pickup with a Vortec 5.3. This is a 2010 Avalanche, and I'm going to slap in my K&N high performance air filter. So first things first, you're going to need a T25 Torx head wrench, and then you got 4 bolts. You can see you got 1, you got 2, you got 1 back there, and you got a 4th one down there, so go ahead and back those out. Okay, after you pop those out, you should be able to just pull this cover up and aside, and there's your air filter. You can go ahead and pop the old one out. This one still looks good, but I'm putting a better one in. All right, you basically just slide this one right into place, exactly how you have the older. You took the other one out, and then you just pop the cap back on, put your screws in, and you're ready to motor. All right, after you got everything tightened down and put in there, you're ready to toss your old filter, fire it up, and motor away, baby. Smash that like button. Thanks guys for watching. I hope this helped. I know it was a pretty elementary thing to do, but I figured I might be able to help someone. Have a great day.